where no show is complete without a high-speed jet truck. And I'm telling you, without humor, that now in the country, because we can't get enough jet trucks for all the shows that take place on a given same weekend around the country, we have a jet-powered 300-mile-an-hour ambulance. We have a jet-powered antique fire truck. We have a jet-powered ice cream truck. We have a jet-powered school bus. We have jet-powered pickups of late models, including this one, powered by two jet engines. It's a 1957 handy-up red Chevrolet, checker and chrome, put in unleashed. An awesome 36,000 horsepower when Ken Shockley does that. Put yourself in the shotgun position, off in the right seat, and imagine what you would see through that windshield. A blur of grass and runway lights on either side of you. And then the opposite end of the runway coming up faster than you could ever imagine in your life, all at ground level, we hope.